how to buy Cr0w by Virtuals token. So this token came under the symbol of Cr0w. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. This is much more important. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. As you can see here, guys, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address came under the Base network. Now open your wallet for that. For this, I will use the Bitkit. Now go to your wallet, select the Base network from here. Now after that, what you need to do, click on this plus icon to be able to add this token to your wallet. Now paste the token address here. As you can see, this is it. Now before that, make sure to read that warning, and if you're ready to go, just click on confirm. Now just click on this plus icon and go back to your wallet to be able to find your token. So this is our tokens. Just click on it, and here click on swap, switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, it's simple and easy. Just click here on buy now, and you will be able to buy Cr0w token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Cr0w token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.